In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy sharing settings in Salesforce. This process is essential for managing and securing data access within your Salesforce organization. So let's dive right in. Begin by navigating to the Salesforce home page. Once you're there, direct your attention to the settings icon, typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the interface. Clicking on this will open up a host of options for you to explore, so you're in the right place if you see a variety of settings choices before you. Next, you'll want to look for an option that says Open Advanced Setup. This is where you'll find the tools needed to manage more detailed aspects of your Salesforce environment. Once you've opened Advanced Setup, it might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, your focus should be on finding the search bar at the top of the screen. Type sharing settings into the search bar. This is a great feature because it saves you the hassle of scrolling through numerous options to find what you need. As soon as you type it in, you should see sharing settings appear in the drop-down list. Click on that link to proceed to the next step. Now that you're in the sharing settings page, click on Manage Sharing Settings. This page is crucial because it allows you to define the organizational-wide defaults for how records are shared within your Salesforce instance. For those new to Salesforce, it's important to know that these settings determine the base level of access your users have to records they don't own. Adjusting these correctly ensures that your data stays secure and accessible only to those who need it. With the Manage Sharing Settings page open, find and click on the Edit button. It will allow you to modify these defaults according to your organization's requirements. Typically, changes here might include setting records to either private, read-only, or read/write access depending on departmental needs and security policies. Once you've clicked Edit, take a moment to review the available customization options. This is your chance to tailor the settings to the specific needs of your organization. If your company has unique requirements or serves a particular industry, these settings allow you to ensure compliance with any necessary regulations or policies. After you're satisfied with your configurations, make sure you hit Save to apply the changes. This step is crucial and will ensure all the hard work you have done is not lost. And there you have it. You've successfully deployed sharing settings in Salesforce. This crucial step aids in maintaining a secure and efficient organizational environment. By tailoring access, you ensure everyone has the right level of viewability, safeguarding your data and optimizing productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. Feel free to revisit any section as needed, and happy configuring.